Maybe you're new to FPV. First thing, number one, have some spectators that don't speak English. At least that way, when you crash or when you mess up, you don't have to worry about anyone making fun of you. So that's tip number one. You guys can stay here. I'm just gonna go fly. It's quite a bit darker than this video makes it look to be. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy.
Well, it's